Hi, my name is Wayne Wudyka. I'm the founder and chief executive officer for the Certified Restoration Dry Clean Network, or CRDN for short, with offices in the US, Canada, and the United Kingdom. At CRDN, our first priority has always been safety first. Safety for our team members, our franchise partners, the homeowners and business owners that we've been servicing now for over 28 years, and literally on hundreds of thousands of claims. These are certainly trying times and call for extra precaution in our normal day-to-day lives. At CRDN, we have enhanced our service protocols and sent out a system-wide update for onboarding claims to all of our franchise partners in order for them to assure safety first. We have required them to ask certain questions in advance of going to a home. We've asked them to onboard and have active PPE equipment, personal protection equipment on each and every vehicle that are going out and servicing losses. And we've asked them to take extra precautions and just use common sense. Simply put, our cleaning processes have worked in this type of an environment for years. Frankly, the recent updates from the Neighborhood Cleaners Association, NCA, the Dry Clean and Laundry Institute, DLI, or the CDC basically validate processes we've always used in handling any and all CRDN claims for now over 28 years. The process that we use for ozoning, our temperature for our solvents and our water, our drying temperatures, our processing for finishing garments and packaging are all safe and effective in eliminating virus, mold, smoke damage, water damage from a range of textiles. We're committed to helping the communities that we're in today and want you to know that we feel very confident in doing our part to help each and every one of our communities recover and get through the spread and this virus. At CRDN, we take on this challenge head first, as we always have. We're in the sanitizing business. We've been sanitizing garments and electronics for years now. We feel very confident in our process, but we feel very, very committed to making certain that we've got good questions asked at the beginning of the claim so we know what we're getting into. We are on active claims right now with active virus exposure, and we're having great success. While we all would like this problem to go away tomorrow, we know it's not an overnight solution. And it's going to take all of us working together to get through this. At CRDN, we're committed to servicing our carrier clients, our contractor mitigation friends, our content companies that we've been servicing, and most of all, our homeowners and business owners in the communities that we all live and work from. With that, I wish each and every one of you good health and safety for your families, and I look forward to servicing you for years to come. Thank you.